The Hyundai Santro nameplate holds a huge place in the hearts of many Indian buyers. The car was brought back to the Indian market with much fanfare at the end of 2018 in its second generation to replace the Eon. The Santro has been crash tested by Global NCAP in the latest round of safety tests by the global safety watchdog. It has scored 2 stars for adult and child protection. The Santro was crashed as per the Global NCAP protocol at 64 km/h in a frontal offset test. The car does not get dual front airbags as standard and only the driver airbag is. Besides potential injuries sustained by the crash test dummies, the car's body structure and footwell area were also rated as unstable. The Santro's rear seat does not offer ISOFIX child seat mounts, and that impacted its score, as did the lack of a 3-point seat belt for the middle occupant. The belt-strapped child seats were only just adequate, though the front-facing older child seat did worse than the rear-facing infant one. The Santro recently received its first anniversary edition in the market, but we are told further safety enhancements are expected on the car. However, there has been no official confirmation on this, nor any statement from Hyundai Motor India in response to queries sent by Car and Bike.